New hope for Parkinson's patients. This is exactly what our Neurotango participants from Germany express.
This is our Neurotango Tango Therapy group with Parkinson's patient.
Let's start with Wolfgang. He passed his driving license with 84 years and his Parkinson's disease.
Old, diagnosed with Parkinson's for 15 years, initial issues, coordination problems, unsteady gait, partial tremor, speech difficulties.
He trained Neurotango only about 2 years.
His greatest achievement after 4 years of tango therapy Neurotango was passing his driving test. In Germany, regular assessments of driving ability are mandatory for patients with chronic conditions.
Let's now continue with Dorothee. She had so big problems with her voice that no one could understand her.
Yes, I can speak properly. Again, not whispering or being anxious. In any case, I have also become more self-confident and I no longer accept everything.
Dorothee, 86 years old, diagnosed with Parkinson's for 10 years. Initial issues, constant falling backward onto the back of her head, unclear and very soft speech, difficulties formulating words, shy and anxious in the company of others. Her greatest achievement is regaining clear and understandable speech, as well as developing a confident demeanor for greater self-determination and increased joy in life. She also found a new partner, whom she met during her daily walks in the park.
The 14 days here in Mallorca have helped me to walk better again after 11 years of walking disability.
Renate, 74 years old, diagnosed with severe walking disability for 14 years. Initial issues, limited mobility and endurance problems, balance difficulties.
My name is Gerd. I am 77 years old and I have been doing tango therapy for 2.5 years.
Gerd had also big problems with his gait and his mask-like facial expression.
When I first started the therapy, I wasn't feeling very well. In particular, my mask-like expression was probably always noticeable, and that has improved significantly now. I am also very happy that I am doing this tango therapy now.
Gerd, 86 years old, diagnosed with Parkinson's for 25 years. Initial issues, severe tremor, significant movement limitations, balance and endurance problems, mask-like facial expression.
I can now slowly stand on one leg, and that can extend to 10-12 seconds. All my condition has definitely improved.
His greatest achievement is being able to walk long distances quickly and improving his mask-like facial expression.
I am absolutely and completely very surprised by this short-term, unexpected success.
Rainer, 62 years old, diagnosed with Parkinson's for 10 years. Main issues: rapidly progressing disease, severe coordination problems, balance issues leading to falls, slowed speech and movement, depressive moods caused by the disease progression. His greatest achievement through Neurotango was significantly slowing the decline of his cognitive and motor abilities, improving his mood, and renewed hope and joy in life.
And that has really benefited both of us. It was really nice.
Dieter, 66 years old, diagnosed with Parkinson's for 11 years. Main issues at the beginning: apathetic states, severe fatigue, significant curvature of the upper spine. His greatest achievement, though, Neurotango, was regaining independence in daily life, including taking the bus to the course on his own and no longer suffering from apathetic states. His wife was moved to tears when, after years, it became possible again to enjoy an ice cream together in the city. Hans, 76 years old, diagnosed with Parkinson's since 2005. Main issues at the beginning: severely curved spine, intense back pain caused by his stooped gait. His greatest achievement through Neurotango is walking upright and reducing back pain. He no longer needs a walking aid.
I will love to welcome you in my seminar. Register now.